Hi guys. So today is Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. I wanted to go over your packet with you. Thank you so much for doing this. I miss you guys and I want you to do your very best on this, okay? So for the whole year in a week, today is Monday. You should have this packet. It says, where do fish keep their money? Okay, so there's a nice joke for it at the end. This packet is all about, it covers that section for patterns and algebra and all that good stuff. So hopefully you'll find it to be a good review for you. Okay, so let's go over some of these directions. To solve the riddle, draw a straight line between each pattern on the left with the next value in the pattern found in the column at the right. Each line will go through one number and one letter. So you got to be very careful. Go from the dot at the end of the line over to the dot to the number, okay? Write the letter on each line above the number that appears at the bottom of the page, and you'll find your riddle, okay? I expect a good answer tomorrow. Okay, so look at number one. It's pretty easy. It says 1, 3, 5, 7. So the next number in that pattern, 9, right? It goes by, just counts odd numbers. So you're gonna write 9 on this line. Okay, and then you're gonna get a straight edge, whether it's a ruler, a folder you have handy, whatever. Okay, and the 9 over here. Hopefully this is not backwards for you. Okay, you're gonna draw a line dot to dot. Okay, when you draw that line dot to dot, it's gonna go through one letter, one number. Look, I could be a meteorologist going backwards. Huh. Okay, so when you do that, it says 6 and I. So on the bottom, anytime you see a number 6 right here, you're gonna put an I there. Make sense? Hope so. Next page, if you flip over for me. These are no longer number patterns, these are picture patterns, okay? So if you look here at number 1, you have an arrow, okay? I'm gonna show you. And oh, I gotta flip on mine over here. You have an arrow and it's pointing to the left, it's pointing up, it's pointing to the right, and it's pointing down. Okay, so the next arrow in the pattern would do what? Yeah, it just is kind of going in a circle, right? So the next one's gonna look just like the first one and it's gonna repeat. It's gonna point over to the left. So you're gonna draw that in right there. Okay, and then you're gonna tell me the rule and you're gonna be as specific as you can. Okay, you're gonna tell me which direction it moves. Is it going clockwise, counterclockwise? You're gonna tell me how much it moves each time. Wouldn't you say that that's probably 90 degrees? If it turns here, or if it starts here, turns 90 degrees, right? So on this one, I would probably say is that the arrow turns, okay, 90 degrees clockwise. That's what I would put on that one, okay? And then you're just gonna continue on going through these. Of course, these never have just one right perfect answer, okay? So just write the next one in the pattern and then explain the rule the best that you can, okay? We'll probably all have lots of different answers there and that's okay. All right, the next page, flip over. Okay, these look just like in and out charts, right? That's because it is an in and out chart. And it has another joke. All right, why does it get hot after the basketball game is over? To solve the riddle, complete the output column for each function table. Then, you'll be graded on this part. Write the corresponding letter next to the number. Read your answer from table 1 to table 4. So on the first one, it says the rules +2. I mean, come on, that's pretty easy, right? Okay, so if I have 9 and it's as my in, I put it in my +2 machine, what's it gonna be? Right, 11, okay? So now do you see on that little right here? If it says 11, what letter am I gonna put right beside it? Yeah, you're gonna put an E there, okay? So go through, do all these in and out charts, okay? And then also, don't forget the letters. Remember, I always count off. The joke is one of them too, so you can check yourself. Flip the page. Algebra, whoop, whoop. Okay, so feel free to rip off your mask and do all that fun stuff if you want to. Okay, but I have here some pretty, really not too hard algebra problems. So you're just gonna go through, okay, mark the correct answer, circle the right answer, but really pay attention here. Okay, it says mark NH if the answer is not here. That's an option for this page, so don't be fooled by that. If you know the answer, you're positive of the answer, but it's not there, just mark NH, that's what that's for. Next page, more algebra, more expressions. Okay. Yeah. That's Miss Gibbons. All right, bye. So here, what you want to do, it gives you the answer. Okay? It tells you, hey, spoiler alert, B is 7. Okay, so anytime you see B here, like 12 minus B, you're just going to put the 7 in there. 12 minus 7 is 5, right? Not hard. So you're going to circle A and go on about your business. So on a lot of these, if you look at number 3 on this page, number 5 on this page, number 7, it doesn't even want you to find the exact answer. What it wants you to find is what would you write? How would you solve this? Okay, so watch out for that. The next page, I know they're forever long, sorry. It's a whole year in a week. Keep working hard. All right, what equation does the model represent? Okay, so you kind of have to look at these pictures here. N plus a whole bunch of weird things equals a whole bunch more weird things. What would you say that is? Yeah, there's 6 in the first one. So N plus 6 equals, how many are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 3, 18. Right? So what would you say the best answer there would be? Yes, I would also say A. N plus 6 equals 18. Okay, now the next one, you kind of have to play off of that one and figure out what N is. Okay, remember a good starting point when you're trying to solve algebra problems is to do the opposite operation to it. Okay, let's see. Oh, last one here. This is a whole bunch of good stuff. Okay, easy problems, extended facts. You guys are awesome on your facts. Okay, so just go through, make sure you add up your zeros. Okay, basic facts and then do your zeros. Ooh, and there is a little bit of practice on the bottom here. Remember what the rule is when you add and subtract decimals? Line up your decimals. The last page. There's only 6 here, so it'll probably be the page that takes the longest. Okay, there's a lot to work through on this one. Look at number 1. Zoe bought 1 hamburger, 5 hot dogs, and 1 soda at the state fair. The hamburger cost $4.60. The hot dogs cost 30 cents a piece. And the soda was 95 cents. If she paid with a $20 bill, how much change would she get back? Okay, so she bought 5 hot dogs. Remember that when you do the math, okay, because they cost 30 cents a piece. 30 cents, 30 cents, 30 cents, 30 cents, 30 cents, right? You can do all that. So make sure you really are looking at those details and double checking, okay? All right, tomorrow I will get back with you. I'll get you some answers and we'll work on the next one, okay? Just do Monday today. Don't do any more than that, okay? I'm excited. Get busy. Thank you. Bye.